How come I'm locked down?
But that's the window.
Oh.
That's...
Is it that?
No, the gray button. Yeah.
Ugh. The other lock thing.
Your little camera there.
Yeah. It's 360, so it works as like a dash cam, and like it's like a camera you want, stuff like that.
Man, that's gotta be tough though.
It is, right? So you can't just like buy the car and rip it, you know?
Yeah. That's not even opening it up.
No. That's maybe half pedal, you know, like half sending it. Yeah.
God, it feels like you're driving a go-kart.
Because you can turn it to a regular one, but you can't see as much.
Yeah. That is legit.
And yeah, as you can imagine, your blind spots are pretty good. So, yeah, I haven't taken the roof off yet.
Oh, this comes. Oh,
yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, that is nice.
That's my plan tomorrow, is to take it off and rip around town.
I would be terrified to drive this, not for myself, but for all the other cars out there to be like, don't you dare go near me.
Yeah. Well, my biggest fear right now is like rock chips.
Yeah.
You know? And
you get a lot of looks.
Yeah. Which was kind of surprising to me.
Why?
Because they've been... Wow.
He's trying to show you up.
Yeah. Because they've been out for a while, I wasn't expecting that like there's still to be like hype. And because I know it's going to have like a high wing, which is going to make it look like even cooler.
That's a lot.
Yeah.
Oh, it feels good.
That's at less than 2,000 RPMs.
And then it's this little button?
Yeah.
That's all it does?
Yeah.
What? Oh, oh my gosh. Great work.
Oh, yeah. So this is actually a 70th.
On order, and I've had it on order
Wow.
for months. I was like, yeah, it'll be here sometime next year.
Well,
Oh,
great.
yeah, you're like,
That's
thanks.
weird having an engine in the back.
Yeah, it is. And your Tesla's probably going to beat me any day of the week, so
Take a picture.
just
Wow.
here's the engine.
That is pretty.
Yeah, actually,
This is cool.
Yeah. The dealer did a good job building it out.
So people have been thinking they were fairly hawkish. Smells good.
Yeah. Still new. So traffic is not very fun.
Yeah, it's kind of hard if you accelerate and then just ride the brakes for the last half.
But
You're gonna find out how expensive brakes are.
I wasn't riding
for
brakes.
this transmission. No, I know, but you're speeding up and then having to hit your brakes.
Oh.